Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Education Alui. Let's fly with success. Today is 16 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mr. your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. And those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it fast. Okay, our first question was, what is India's GDP according to Moody's in 2020? Minus 7%, minus 8%, minus 8.9%, or option D minus 10%. The correct answer here is option C minus 8.9%. Recently, in Moody's report, India's GDP in 2020 is minus 8.9%. Okay. Our second question was, India's first sandalwood museum is established in which state? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or option D Odisha. The correct answer here is option A Karnataka. In Karnataka, the India's first sandalwood museum is established recently. Okay, Karnataka is in news. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Chief Minister is B.S. Yedurappa. And remember, Vajuvai Wala is the governor of Karnataka. Okay, and this sandalwood museum is established in Aranya Bhavan in Mysore. Aranya Bhavan in Mysore. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. Try to watch the session till end because the very most important questions of the today's current affairs is in the session. Okay, our first question is, when Jharkhand Foundation Day is observed? 14 November, 15 November, 16 November, or option D 17 October. The correct answer here is 15 November. On 15 November, Jharkhand state observed its Foundation Day. Remember, Jharkhand Foundation Day is observed in 15 November. Okay. Jharkhand is in news. The Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren. Hemant Soren is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand, and Draupadi Murmu is the Governor of Jharkhand. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. State Bank of India adopt how many tigers of Zoo Park? 15, 20, 10, or option D 30. The correct answer here is option A 15. Recently, State Bank of India of the Hyderabad Circle recently adopt about 15 tiger from the Curator Nehru Zoological Park. Curator, name of the park is Curator Nehru Zoological Park. Okay. Next question. Centers extend ED Director S.K. Mishra's tenure to how much year? 2 year, 1 year, 3 year, or option D 4 year. The answer here is option B 1 year. Recently, the Enforcement Director tenure, S.K. Mishra's tenure is extended to 1 year. Okay, and he is the 1984 batch IRS officer. 1984 batch IRS officer. You can see here the image of S.K. Mishra. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Former chairman of which bank, P.G. Kakodkar, recently passed away? HDFC, PNB, IDBI, or option D State Bank of India. The answer here is State Bank of India. Recently, the former chairman of the P.G. Kakodkar recently passed away. Okay, you can see here the image of P.G. Kakodkar. Okay. And who is the current chairman of SBI? You have to give the answer in our comment section. Okay, please try to answer in the comment section who is the current chairman of SBI. Okay. Next question. Prime Minister Modi celebrated Diwali with soldier in which city? Sorry, it is in which city? Srinagar, Jaisalmer, Kochi, or option D Chennai. Prime Minister Modi observed Diwali with soldier along with CDS Bipin Rawat and Manoj Mukund Narbane in Jaisalmer. Okay, Jaisalmer city. Okay, you can see here the image of Prime Minister Modi distributing sweets among soldiers. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Jerry John Rawlings passed away. He was the former president of which country? Ghana, Nigeria, Oman, or option D, Libya? The correct answer here is option A, Ghana. Recently, the former president of Ghana, Jerry John Rawlings, recently passed away. Okay, at the age of 73, he passed away. Okay, you can see here the image of the former president of Ghana. Next question. Question number 7. Which bank has launched National Common Mobility Debit Card? IDBI, PNB, Karnataka Bank Limited, Karur Vyasa Bank, option D. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is option C, Karnataka Bank Limited. Recently, Karnataka Bank Limited launched the National Common Mobility Debit Card. It is a contactless debit prepaid and interferable transport card. Remember, it is a contactless debit prepaid and interferable transport debit card launched by Karnataka Bank. Okay. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated how many Ayurveda institute? 2, 3, 4, or option D, 5? The answer here is option A, 2. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on National Ayurveda Day virtually inaugurated 2 Ayurveda institute. These are in Jaipur and Jamnagar. Remember, these are in Jaipur and Jamnagar. Okay, 2 Ayurveda institute inaugurated in National Ayurveda Day. When National Ayurveda Day is observed, also answered in our comment section. Okay, you can revision it in a comprehensive way, thereby you cannot forget it. Next question. Where Consumer Culture Lab is launched? IIM Amritsar, IIM Udaipur, IIM Lucknow, or option D, IIM Indore? The answer here is IIM Udaipur, Indian Institute of Management, Udaipur. In Indian Institute of Management, Udaipur, Consumer Culture Lab is launched. Okay, Consumer Culture Lab is recently launched in IIM Udaipur. Next question. Question number 10. Last question of the today's session. This is, okay, who got the first prize for water conservation management to Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board? Union Minister of Jal Shakti, Niti Aayog, Ministry of Home Affairs, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, Union Minister of Jal Shakti. Recently, Union Minister of Jal Shakti give the first prize for the water conservation management to Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board. Okay, and who is the our Union Jal Shakti Minister recently? Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, recently the Union Minister of Jal Shakti. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, who is appointed as new CEO of Panasonic? Who is appointed as new CEO of Panasonic? Our second question is, who has won the International Peace Prize 2020? International Children's Peace Prize. Remember, it is who has won the International Children's Peace Prize 2020. Please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby, regular practice is done by you. Also, answer the additional question whatever I asked in this today's session. Okay, thereby a regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby, many students got help. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help, and those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.